you gave your best, you know, people appraise you, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना कि तुम जो चाहोगे वही होगा.
But I was never so घमंडी that, you know, कि I will be rude to people. मैं लोगों से rude नहीं होऊंगा. There are people like you. Like, you have a confidence, you have a passion and drive to change your life.
So my next question is, you said you are passionate. You always had that driving force for the things you love, and you are someone who never gives up. Like, even if you are broken down, you have something going on, you are going to be on stage and you are going to lit up the whole show. You are going to lit up the people that everyone who knows you know, and maybe my audience will also know after this. So what is that one thing that says you, नहीं यार चिराग, give up नहीं करना है? What is your not giving up attitude वाला quote? मतलब what is that thing that makes you go crazy about the thing and makes you कि नहीं मुझे give up नहीं करना है अब?
See, when it comes to anchoring, okay, I'm generally life, I am not very, you know, कि नहीं give up करूंगा and all of that. I'm very smart about it कि अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो ठीक है. Like, you can't push yourself through something of so much pain if the outcome is not worth it, right? Shouldn't just follow out of ego कि अच्छा मैंने किया है तो अब मैं पूरा तो करूंगा. Don't be stupid. Like, नहीं हो रहा है तो और कुछ करना. Why are you wasting your time here? And secondly, when it comes to anchoring, I am so driven now. क्योंकि कैसा पता है सुमेश, I believe I left CA, so this was my fallback. My parents accepting it was an add-on for me, and doing decent, I'm like, now this is what I have. Okay, I can't let this go, and I don't want to let this go because I am actually enjoying it so much. मैं इसको इस चीज को इतना ज्यादा enjoy कर रहा हूँ कि मैं कैसे जाने दूँ? मैं how do I not, you know, not to do things for it? So then I'm like, and another thing very well I remember that when I did theater, okay, the show must go on. Nothing is over and above your art and your responsibility in that moment. Okay. So apparently there was one time where my dadi passed away in 2017, and I was doing a color positive play, and
Color positive.
So we had a GR 3 days before. Yeah. So we had a grand rehearsal before, like 3 days of the show, and it was on the same day. And previous night, my dadi passed away. So in the morning, I did all my rituals because my dadi absolutely loved me, and so did I. So I was there. I had finished all the rituals by 10 o'clock. I told my mom, listen, everybody's waiting there. I can't, you know, make them wait. And, you know, they've paid money to do everything. And you know how these plays work. Yeah? We run on a very short budget. We don't have a lot of money to, you know, spend and all of that. So I finished everything. 10 o'clock, I went home. I took a shower. I changed, and by 12:31, I was there for the GR. So I believe for me, the show must go on. Nothing is over and above your art and your responsibility in that moment. I can never think of anything else. Yeah.
So saying that, you just improved. वो कहते हैं ना, आंखों में आपके लिए इज्जत और बढ़ गई. Like, sorry for your dadi, but still going for a show after knowing a lot of things. Like, I thought ki just my resources are saying to just, you know, telling your image in a good way, but you seriously don't. You are like, show must go on. Like, you are Absolutely. Going to lit up the show no matter what is happening in your personal life.
Yeah. Because हमें यही समझना होता है कि हमारी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ ये दो अलग अलग चीजें हैं. हम शायद उससे इन्फ्लुएंस हो सकते हैं, but we can't let both the things drive each other. We have to drive. We are the one who's driving them, not them. तुम समझ रहे हो कि हमारी circumstances हमें drive नहीं कर रहे, हम हमारे circumstances को drive कर रहे हैं. So we have to know how to react at a certain point, and how can we change our reaction so that we feel better and things get better in general for us. So yeah.
And somewhere I feel दादी भी खुश हुई होंगी आपके वो डिसीजन से कि somewhere मेरा चिराग ने अच्छा डिसीजन लिया.
Absolutely. So apparently she passed away, and post that she's blessed so much of luck to the family, and I'm so grateful for that. Because my dadi was bedridden for a very long time. So she's like, you know, since you all have given so much time and effort behind me, I, you know, give you all the luck in life. So yeah, jug jug jio wala vibe. So yeah, absolutely, I love her.
So, sir, that person who told me a lot of things about you, he also told me that you are mama's boy and you were very close to your dada dadi, and you also have a tattoo for your dada. So, can you speak
Dadi.
something about dadi? You have a tattoo
Yeah,
for
yeah.
your daddy too.
So I'm showing it in the camera. थोड़ा उल्टा दिखेगा इस पे. I don't know how do I show this? Like,
नहीं चलेगा sir.
yeah, that's my tattoo. It says Godavari. That's my dadi's name.
Okay.
And it was during the end of 2020. I'm like, yeah, the year has not been very great. So I want to do something nice. I want to change my life. I always wanted to get a tattoo, but I was like, यार घर से परे करेंगे वो करेंगे. And I'm like, I didn't tell anybody at home that I'm going for a tattoo. I just went out with my friend. I just spoke to your source, whom you have been talking to.
अच्छा, you
I'm
got
like,
to know
यार,
them.
ये-
कौन है वो? He even said कि मैंने ऐसी बातें कही है ना that are only between me and Chirag. तो तुम जब उसमें बोलोगे ना, he'll come to know कि तुमने किससे बात की है.
yeah. So so I was like 2020 का end है यार, तो अब कुछ नया करना है. I want to do something, and I always wanted to get a tattoo. So I just spoke to that friend. I had 2-3 ideas I was talking about. I really liked this idea of getting my dadi's name on my hand, and I was like, it really meant I could relate a lot to it. So I'm like, let's just do it. So we went to, मैंने दूसरे एक friend को call किया कि भाई मुझे tattoo करवाना, because he's done 2-3 tattoos until now. And we went to a place, spoke to the guy. Within an hour, I got the design, and within, I think, next day evening, I got my tattoo done, and it was all well. So yeah, and yeah, I was very close to my dadi and dada especially, because I liked them. I really loved them. I liked being around them. I'm a very family kid in a way. I and my dadi was so cute. So they would teach me how to play tash. They would teach me how to play teen patti.
अच्छा.
So my dadi was so cool. मेरे को जुगारी उन्होंने ही बनाया. जुगारी मेरी दादी ने मुझे बनाया. So that's the for sure. Not a very great thing after all the inspirational things that we've spoken कि मैं जुगारी हूँ, but yeah.
So sir, my next question is, as I also mentioned earlier, 500 plus shows, 80 plus brands, 84 recurring clients, and doing more than national, international shows, a Guinness World Record ka show, great brands which you have worked with, Jio, Alt Balaji, Reliance, and everything. What kept you grounded? Like, एक कोई phase होगा जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा घमंड है कि नहीं यार अब तो मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, and that phase, and then how you made yourself grounded. Like I know I asked you, and you can easily could have said no. क्या नहीं यार मेरा events है, and I know you have events. आज भी है, कल भी है. Still you took out time for this show, whereas nothing. अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. Still you said yes, नहीं चल करेंगे. So how are you so grounded? Or that one emotion where you were घमंडी, but then you said नहीं यार मैं घमंडी नहीं हो सकता. वो part.
Right. Yeah. So I think it happened to me, I think in later 2018s and early 2019ish, I think, or otherwise, sorry, 19 end and 20 के beginning में I got a bit in my head. But I was never so घमंडी that, okay, I will be rude to people. मैं लोगों से rude नहीं होऊंगा. But to a point where I'm like, अच्छा हाँ ना ये तो मैं कर लूंगा यार, अरे ये तो दाएं हाथ का खेला. And then you go to an event and then I am shitting in my pants. I'm like, listen, I haven't prepared. What am I going to do? Your overconfidence बहुत भारी पड़ चुका है. So moments like these, they teach you कि अरे भाई थोड़ा सा prepare कर ले. Don't go extremely unprepared thinking कि अरे देखा जाएगा. Because I'm a very impromptu person. मैं जो लिखता हूँ वो hardly बोलता हूँ यार. तो for me, I'm like जो वैसे करना ही नहीं है तो क्यों. But then जब मैं लिखता हूँ, so I know what can I fall back on. कि ये सारे points तो है ही मेरे पास बोलने के लिए. तुम समझ रहे हो? So it's always good to prepare yourself. And that was one thing.
That statement too, क्योंकि while I was doing the podcast का thing, so my friends were like, अरे you know ना चिराग sir, तूने उनके बारे में पढ़ा है ना, then why are you making notes? We know you are impromptu, बोल लेगा.
Right.
नहीं bro, ये मेरे साथ मिस्टर फैब में हो चुका है. वहाँ पे I was in my head कि हाँ मैं जीत गया हूँ. And I'll tell you a thing वहाँ से, that winner, I forgot his name, क्या था?
Adarsh,
Adarsh Bro, he came to me and he said, "Congratulations, man, you won." मेरा आंसर मैंने कुछ भी दे दिया है, ऐसा वैसा. And I was, मेरे हेड में बोला, हाँ ठीक है, वो मेरे को पता है मैं जीतूंगा, ऐसा करके. And on his face I was like, नहीं bro, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, come on. And literally sir, I said that camera person also, वो भैया को मैंने बोला, सर मेरा भी एंट्री होगा, I'm going for, चिराग sir is going to announce my name. Literally मैं इतना सर में चढ़ गया था सर. तो I was like, yeah, one. That Om Shanti Om का scene, if you remember, जहाँ पे Abhishek Bachchan is almost like going to send. So I always imagine myself like Shahrukh Khan. लेकिन जब उस दिन मैं हारा ना, मैं shit यार, मैं अभिषेक बच्चन बन गया. Not in that way कि अभिषेक बच्चन बनता, मैं तो character Om Shanti Om का. So that day my father told me, क्यों? You gave your best, you know. People appraise you. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना कि तुम जो चाहोगे वही होगा. So that day I realized it's very important to be grounded and to treat everyone equally, you know.
Absolutely.
अगर वो जीत सकता है, you know, रोहन भी जीत सकता था, कोई भी जीत सकता था. और सबसे बड़ा शॉक that always going to keep me grounded is मैं 4 में भी नहीं आया, top 4 में भी नहीं आया. So I was like, ऑटो फर्स्ट की सोच रहा था, like shit. तो मैं बोला बेटा ये सही टाइम है, अब तू ग्राउंडेड हो जा, तेरे से अच्छे लोग पढ़े हुए हैं दुनिया में, तो ग्राउंडेड हो जाओ.
Absolutely. And see, it's not a very nice feeling, Somesh, to say that to yourself that तेरे से अच्छे लोग पढ़े हैं. See, there are two ways of, you know, keeping yourself grounded. One is by telling yourself that, see, we all are equal. And another is by saying this, ke, bhai, there are people 100 times better than you. Don't demean, you know, your own self-respect and, you know, yourself. तो खुद को नीचा मत दिखाओ, because then it puts you in a very not nice zone, which is like, yaar, you will not feel very confident about yourself after that.
नहीं, so that particular moment I thought, नहीं तो the life motto that I follow is, आप greatest हो, मैं greatest से थोड़ा best हूँ. So I always have that agenda and I work with it. I know people are doing best. I know Ranveer is doing very good. I looked up to him as a mentor. The Beer Biceps, you must be knowing. He does his podcast. He gives me ideas कि मैंने उससे लेके किया है. I know he's doing best, but I know I'm doing my greatest. तो तुम अपना अच्छा कर सकते हो.
Nobody can be
अच्छा कर रहा हूँ.
Yes. Nobody can be Somesh.
Yes. अरे.
Everybody can be.
Sir, आप तो दिल जीत लोगे अभी.
इसके पैसे ज्यादा लगेंगे, by the way.
एक चेक दे देना सर को.
तो ठीक है जी.
So my next question is, what is that one thing you thought कि अच्छा ये मुझे मालूम होता ना तो मेरा स्टार्ट अच्छा हो सकता था. Like if I'm not wrong, you are not trained as an anchor. Anchoring is something that you started doing. So that what is that one thing that you learned in a lateral part of your career, but you thought कि ये मुझे पता होता ना तो मेरा करियर को बूस्ट अच्छा मिलता.
I don't know, yeah. Like, मेरे दिमाग, I don't think so. There was anything like that that I felt कि अच्छा काश ये मुझे पहले पता होता तो. Because luckily, Somesh, I have been a person who's been blessed in a way कि you बोलते ना कि लोग मिलते गए और कारवा बनता गया वाला vibe. Like I've always found good people around me who have been there to help me. Like when I was very new to get into this profession, there was a friend of mine he's a choreographer. So he taught me a few things, you know, basic rules of the industry and how much people charge and how does it work and all of that. And it really helped me because जब शुरुआत में ही मुझे एक बेस मिल गया था नॉलेज का कि देख ये चीजें होती हैं. Like if you're booked by an event person and you're doing that event, तो इवेंट के बाद अगर कोई तुमसे तुम्हारा कार्ड मांगने आता है तो तुम अपना पर्सनल कार्ड नहीं देते, you always give that event person's card because it is a respect to that person and courtesy because that person has worked really hard to get you this event. So you get him some more work, not yourself directly, because I'm sure वहां से भी लोग फोन करके तुम्हारे बारे में ही पूछने वाले हैं in a way if they've liked your work. So see basic rules like these कि तुम्हें क्या करना है, क्या आइडिया होता है, what are the concept, basic things that is working in the industry and all of that. So yeah, I don't think there was anything that I would say कि मेरे को शायद पहले से पता होता तो चेंज हो जाता, because I've hardly been into the industry from 6 years and I think in 6 years people have come and they've helped me very well where I needed to be.
So what's your biggest failure and your biggest success? Like आपका सबसे बड़ा failure क्या है और उससे आपने क्या सीखा, and that one thing that you are always going to idealize है कि ये मेरा सबसे बड़ा success है.
Yeah, honestly, I do not like to idealize anything. As I said, I'm a very gray person. I believe things and circumstances, they keep changing, and on the basis of that change, we define our life and motto every now and then. Okay, first thing first. But so there is nothing that I would say that this is the best success, or this is the best thing that has happened to me until now, because I know this is just the beginning for me. I have many more things to do. But if I have to say a nice feeling, not like a best success, but a nice feeling I had was when I did that Gujarati film and I did a small cameo, like a small role in that.
Best of luck,
That's where I felt
Lalu.
Yeah, best of luck, Lalu. Yes, that's where I felt like, oh, that is so nice, because I had like full 20-25 people of my whole family. We all had planned ke chalo, because I've worked as an AD in that film, to chalo jaate hain, dekhte hain, all of that. And then I had that small scene, so it was a very nice feeling that way. And biggest failure, I think I'm a person who finds purpose in everything. So when I fail, if I found my purpose, okay, why did that happen to me? I am okay to let things go. Okay, haan, theek hai, jaane do. It was not meant to be, or there are better things coming. Probably this is the reason this has happened, and this is the learning. So next time you take care of it. So that is how.
So your top 3 influential people, कि मतलब इनके वजह से they have the most influence on your life.
Top 3 people who have the most influence on my life. As I said, I don't idealize people. मैं idealize नहीं कर पाता हूँ, तो मैं नहीं जानता हूँ. But that does not mean that people are not nice. That means that I don't idealize a person, because I know we all are made. Yeah, we all are made of right and wrong. I could pick up a thing from somebody, like from my mother. If I have to pick up her generosity. That she is so adorable. She is so sweet. Like even after we are rude, sometimes she does what she does. Then there are people like you. Like you have a confidence. You have a passion and drive to change your life. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So I love that fact from you. So I am influenced by that fact. There are friends in my life who are very informal. Okay, it's life basically. Why do you want to be so formal? Why do you want to think about? Why do you want to overthink everything? So that way, then my friend Vinay, I think of how emotional that person is. Then I think of so many people like this. There are so many. Then my best friend, I feel that Vidhi, she is she is a person who is so accommodating. Like she is so lovely with every other person that she meets. So we pick up few things from every other person, and that's how I grow in life. That that's a nice thing, let's learn that. That's a nice thing from that person, let's learn that way.
Sir, what is that one myth of anchoring career or your own industry कि वो myth, ये myth नहीं है, there is nothing like that, but people believe कि ये होता है इस career में. So क्या है वो ऐसा? Is there some myth or कि कुछ नहीं है ऐसा?
Yeah, there are multiple के भाई मेरी लाइफ तो sorted है, मेरी जिंदगी में पैसे ही पैसे हैं. Like I get to travel so much. I'm so lucky that I don't have to be at home. And all of this, and I'm like, listen, don't be stupid. Like it's a perk of my work that I get to travel, but that does not mean that I am going somewhere with the intention of travel. Because when I'm generally going out of Bombay, I'm going there with the thought of working, finish that work and leave, come back so that I can go back for another one.
That I also said because when we were in Goa, I hardly saw you partying or anything because you were always before time and you left after everyone left. And the time itna tha ki subah se raat. So I don't saw you anywhere enjoying that particular part. That I can tell.
Exactly, because I'm there for work, and once and as I said in the beginning, I like my work so much. Sumesh, मेरे को मेरा काम इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है कि I'm always driven कि अच्छा क्या करना है, बताओ ना, कुछ करूँ. Like don't not waste me, please don't waste me. If I'm there, please use my talent and my work and my energy. It will make me feel better. I'm getting my point. So and all of that. But yeah, and people don't understand another thing that I said, the myths that बहुत पैसे हैं. भाई समझ लो पैसे कब आएंगे, जब तुम्हें हार्ड वर्क करना होगा, पैसे तब आएंगे. एंड देयर इज नो श्योरिटी ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट यू आर गोइंग.
सब म्यूट हो गया.
जॉब, लाइक इफ यू हैव अ कॉर्पोरेट जॉब, तुम्हें हर महीने कुछ ना कुछ पैसे मिलने वाले. यहाँ पे ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं. तुम महीने, साल के 4-6 महीने काम करोगे, बाकी महीने में हार्डली तुम 1 या 2 इवेंट करोगे महीने. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद ऑल ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज देन दैट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स योर मेंटल हेल्थ, because you are so lazy and you are not doing anything after being so busy. It affects your mental health a lot, which happened with me for a very long time, where I'm like, kya kar raha hu? Why am I doing that? You restart, you start calculating again what is there in life or kya karna hai. So yeah.
So sir, my last question to you, and
Brilliant.
you have spoken such beautiful things and ideas and past histories and everything na. I'm pretty sure मेरे audience ना सब कुछ देखने वाला है. I'm pretty sure.
Brilliant. I hope so.
So what are some great resources that have helped you along the way? Like, what have you read or listened to recently that has inspired you?
I read a book from यार मैंने उसके बारे में ना Instagram स्टोरी भी डाली थी. Oh shit, what was it? मैं भूल गया. And it was so inspiring. In that moment, I'm like, listen, this is the truth. कि ये I will. अरे यार मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, we'll do one thing.
Another thing that
Instagram जरा story देख. Is it on your story live?
नहीं होगा, अभी नहीं होगा. पुराना में मैंने रखा था वो. So he wouldn't get it. But ठीक है.
I'll add it. आप just text me later. I'll add it.
That please do that. I'll send you that.
So before I let you go, sir, I have a very special message from someone. I'll just play it for you now.
क्या ही बोलूं अभी इसके बारे में. एकदम सख्त लौंडा है. अगर उसने ठान लिया कि उसको कुछ करना है तो वो करके ही रहेगा, नहीं छोड़ेगा जब तक उसका वो काम होना. ऐसे तो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. मेरे सारे टाइम सुनता है भाई. कभी कभी तो लगता है कि मार भी देगा लगता है, मगर हाँ, यू लाइक अ रियली गुड सपोर्ट टू मी in many ways. You're a good motivation. You're an inspiration actually, the way you have curved your whole career and the passion that you have to do things. Trust me, it's very difficult to find such people, and I'm actually very lucky to have you. Yeah, that's all I have for you. Bye.
That's so sweet, yeah. Thank you, Somesh.
Thank you, sir. So with that, thank you so much, sir. I hope you liked this session. I hope you enjoyed the whole experience of Somesh to Ask Us. And I'll add all the links to his profile. Please go follow him, give him a shout out. And if you want any event or anything, please contact him. He is a great performer, entertainer. I'm pretty sure आपका कोई भी event हो, he's not going to make it dull. Oh, he's always going to lit it up. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll meet you in the next podcast. Thank you so much, sir.